I had to do an update because I found more noises. Also, I changed the pommel because this time around is definitely my sonic screwdriver, not that other one. So, anywho, more noises. There's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Keep count. It's 6 up to 6. This one. And finally, as far as I know, this one. I tried to go to 9. And that's all there is. So yeah, turns out this little puppy had one more surprise. A bunch of extra noises. I can't talk today. Bottom line, this was a much better buy than I expected, and I really hope they issue new kits so other fans can enjoy this fancy type of sonic screwdriver. So neat. I can cosplay on different levels. Okay, this time, for sure, this is Mr. J signing out and reminding you, whatever the doctor says is cool, is cool. On Z!